Imagine holding a device that is simultaneously a canvas for your wildest artistic visions, a portable cinema that fits in your backpack, and a powerhouse workstation that can handle complex video editing without breaking a sweat. For years, the base model iPad has been the undisputed king of tablets, offering the perfect balance of affordability and functionality. But the rumor mill is spinning faster than ever, and all signs point to a revolution. The Apple iPad 12th generation is not just an update. It is the ultimate democratization of premium tablet technology. We are standing on the brink of a new era where entry-level no longer means compromise. Apple is taking the technology previously reserved for their top-tier Pro models and bringing it to the device that millions of students, artists, and casual users rely on every single day. This video is going to take you deep into the heart of what's coming, analyzing the leaks, dissecting the specs, and exploring the implications for your digital life. If you are serious about tech, if you want to know what you will be buying in 2026, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this. The cornerstone of this revolutionary device is the rumored integration of the A18 Bionic chip, a leap that skips over traditional incremental updates to bring unprecedented speed to the entry-level lineup. Imagine rendering complex 3D environments, editing high-resolution video on the go, or playing console-level games without a single frame drop. This isn't just about faster apps. It is about bringing raw, unadulterated power to the masses. The efficiency of this chip also means your battery will last longer, taking you through a full day of school, work, or entertainment without frantically searching for a charger. But the real game changer, the feature that will make competitors sweat, is the expected arrival of Apple Intelligence to the base model. For the first time, the entry-level iPad will be smart enough to understand context, anticipate your needs, and manage your life with an intelligence that feels almost human. We are talking about advanced text summarization, image generation capabilities, and a massively upgraded Siri that can perform complex, multi-step actions across different apps. Your iPad will not just process information, it will become a true digital assistant. Let's talk about the display, because this is where you will feel the leap forward every single time you look at your screen. We are expecting the jump to a new 11-inch Liquid Retina display, offering brightness levels that make outdoor visibility absolute, even in direct, harsh sunlight. The colors will be more vibrant, the blacks deeper, and the sharpness increased, making every movie, photo, and game look stunningly lifelike. The improved pixel density means text is crisper, reducing eye strain during long reading sessions. Now, let's look at the camera system, because the iPad 12 is transforming into a creative powerhouse. The front-facing camera is getting a major upgrade, expected to feature the center stage technology that keeps you perfectly framed during video calls, regardless of whether you are moving around the room or sitting still. This is critical for remote learning, virtual meetings, and staying in touch with family. The rear camera is also receiving a boost, allowing for better document scanning and higher quality photos for your creative projects. Connectivity is another battleground, and the iPad 12 is prepared to win. It will feature the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology, providing blazing fast speeds and significantly lower latency, perfect for streaming 4K content or downloading massive files in seconds.